way too early, and I am on my way to the wall, and I am so excited to paint. One of the most important things before starting painting is to fuel up. So we got the best donuts and coffee, so we are ready to go. Down here at the same old wall, and I think it's time to cover the baby Wonder Woman I did. I don't want to, but I'm running out of wall space, and I love doing these videos for you guys, so check it out. We're gonna cover it and try to do something better. All right, time for some outlines. I did have a sketch prepared for this wall, but sometimes things change at the wall. My main goal was to just make sure that this had a good flow and fit the wall nicely. And then I go back with some white to make sure it's a little sharper. And then it's time to clean that up. It's always nice to have extra buff to go back around and just make sure you clean up the lines so that when you're coloring everything in, it's not as confusing. It's just very straightforward for you. And now we can start to color. Yeah, blend it. Gotta add some shadows.
Damn, it's hot out. What do we got here? Perfect. Lotion. I want to get that hose again.
All right, back to work.
Lines, more lines.
It is bougie break time. We are hiding in the sun with this umbrella. Stay tuned. As always, the tiny pink stencil cap, you can go buy those online. And if you guys want to support more of my artwork, feel free to visit my website. It is kbooart.com.
What's up, guys? I am all wrapped up with this project I will be calling Smokey Halos. And I don't really know how I feel about it. I have mixed feelings. It could be the heat, it could be the color scheme, and I just might fall in love with it tomorrow. It's artist problems. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments, if you like this better or if you like the Wonder Woman better. But if you did enjoy the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And now I will show you the final product. Check it out.